Alright, so it just occurred to me that I should probably videotape this for maybe Wes or somebody. This is kind of what I come out and do as far as inspecting the bees. So I've already cracked open this, and this, what it does is it prevents the queen from getting through because she's too big to fit through these little slots. So I have this top thing being my my pure honey thing collector, honey reserve, and then I've got all these guys, these two deeps is what they're called. I've got them as strictly for brood, as in their larvae and living quarters essentially. I like to try to do it gloved just because I'm a little inexperienced, and I notice I'm more confident with the bees when I'm gloved and when I'm more see, they've got this stuff, it's called propolis, and it's really tough to pull out. So as you can see, I kind of destroyed the wood there, but it can be really tough at times. There we go, I've got it now. I didn't like that. So what I'm looking for is I'm trying to look for any kind of larvae, and really they're not laying too much, actually, but there's a good population going. So I'm going to go down to the bottom one. Since it's a new hive, obviously, like I've kind of said before, I can't collect any there's one guy stuck inside my mask. That's never happened to me. I knew I heard something. All right. So smoke is always your friend, though, no matter what. Sorry about that. I definitely didn't plan on that happening. The issue really becomes if they sting, they'll smell the sting and they'll try to attack whatever has been essentially marked. So whatever it is, you want to kind of mask it with the smell of the smoke before they can kind of really start getting on the issue there. And so I also try to prevent bees from getting squished, which will frequently happen sometimes. And then now I'm going to go down to the bottom one. Hang on a minute. Yeah, so my first year I'm not going to be able to collect anything from these guys because they're just starting off. I don't want to do right by them. And that's what I thought. I've got one in my jacket, actually. This has definitely been a first. So, all right, I'll just keep going. All right. See if I can set this up.